procedure po natin ngayon is uterine contraction. So, ang goal po nito is to determine yung contraction pattern tsaka yung abnormal contraction pattern na makaka-apekto kay baby tsaka kay mother. So, ang first step po is wash hands, tapos ipe-prepare na po natin yung equipment sa bedside. Then after po is magpa-provide na po tayo ng privacy, close po natin yung window, yung pin. So, ang next po is i-explain po natin yung procedure and yung purpose po nito. And then, ipe-place na po natin si patient sa dorsal recumbent position. Then, after po is, i-drape na po natin si patient. Then, i-expose lang po natin yung abdomen. Then, ang next step is, ilalocate po natin yung fundus and mag-place po tayo ng fingertips gently sa fundus. Mag-gloves muna tayo. Then, i-assess po natin yung frequency of contraction, calculating numbers. 10 minutes po, 10 minutes. Then, ang next po is, i-assess po natin yung duration ng contraction. Then, assess interval of contraction. To measure the regular rhythm, 3 consequent contraction should be assessed. Then, ang next po is i-assess po natin, i-observe po pala kung may abnormality or irregular sa contraction. Then, ang next po is i-auscultate po natin yung fetal heart rate after each contraction. Then, ang next po is i-drape na po natin yung abdomen. Then, i-remove na po natin yung equipments. Then, perform hand washing. Then, after po is magre-record na po tayo. Documentation.